When's the last time you really did a good kitchen clean out? I know for me it's been too long, and so we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty to organizing and decluttering our kitchen and pantry. Are you overwhelmed every single time that you open up your kitchen cabinets or your pantry? Today we are decluttering my entire kitchen and pantry. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I get my kitchen and pantry from looking like chaos to calm and organized. Let's simplify together. If you're new here, hi, I am Morgan, and I am trying to get my life together in my 20s so I can set myself up for success throughout the rest of my life, building these habits so that I can be smart with not only the clutter that I have around my home and simplifying my life, but also taking control of my finances so that future me will be so thankful for all of the habits that I've instilled in me today. Let's get into it. Step 1, take everything out. I know, it's gonna be a lot and it's gonna be scattered everywhere, but take it all out because you can't organize what you can't see. Lay it all out, your canned goods, your spices, your half-used bacon supplies, so you can start fresh. I have so many open bags of like different types of flour. Why? Step 2, toss, donate, or rehome. Toss anything that is expired or stale. You're not gonna use it, it's expired, throw it away. I know I have some chips in there that I made some tacos last night, some corn chips, they are definitely stale, and I'm just lazy, I just put them back. No, I have to get into the habit if they're even a little bit stale. Who knows when the next time I'm gonna use them, so throw them away. And donate any unexpired items that you won't use. Even if it's dish utensils or dishes that you don't use, donate them so that somebody else can love them. Step 3, clean everything. Clean your shelves, your cabinets, your stove, inside your fridge, inside of your oven, your entire pantry, all your kitchen, everything. Get everything out and just clean it all, because you might find things too. This will just refresh your space so that you can put it all away, feeling nice and organized and clean. Step 4, categorize and zone. Now that you know what you're keeping, put similar items together. Think snacks in one zone, baking supplies in another, canned goods all in a row. This makes grabbing what you need way easier. You don't even need a lot of organization type tools. Just keep it in sections so that you have everything nice and organized and you know exactly where things are. Creating zones changed everything for me. Just think of it like giving each item a little home. Step 5, use clear bins and labels. In my little pantry area, I have all my dry goods in these clear bins labeled so that I know exactly where everything is and what they are. Baskets, bins, and clear containers make such a difference. Not just aesthetically, but functionally. But use what you have first before going out and buying more organizational tools. This way you can see what you have and avoid buying duplicates. I'm obsessed with these containers. I keep all of my dry goods organized and they even have labels. They keep them fresh and super organized so it's easy to find. Step 6, optimize high and low spaces. Store your less used items up high or really low. Keep your daily essentials like coffee beans, breakfast items, or spices front and center. This makes it so much easier to grab what you use on a daily basis, right there in front of you. Step 7, maintain a system. An organized kitchen is only helpful if it stays that way. Do quick check-ins weekly and add things to your grocery list as you run out. And always stick to your zones when putting things away. And that's it. You can get a little more creative with the spaces that you're using. If you have a smaller kitchen, size down on what you have. If you have a lot of extra plates or bowls, donate them so that you can free up your space and add less bowls. And that's it. My kitchen and pantry feel like a whole new space. Less clutter, more peace, and I actually want to cook again. I hope this inspired you to tackle your own space and get your kitchen and pantry organized so that you can have a more simplified life. Don't forget to like this video. It helps my channel a lot and I appreciate it so much. And subscribe if you want to see more videos like this on how to simplify your life and live a more mindful, sustainable lifestyle. I'm making it a mission to get my life together in my 20s so that my future self can really appreciate all the habits that I implement now so that I don't fall into the trap of overconsumption, which I definitely have before, especially when I was college age, when I had no idea about my finances or even my style, my home style, personal style, clothing style. We'll unpack a lot of that in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a blessed day.